Tote. Hey.
Gun guard, baby.
Whoa!
Oh.
What's an Apple Watch?
Oh.
Money.
The envelope of money. We are in Arlington, Virginia, guys. 5 minutes outside of Washington, D.C., less than a mile from the Pentagon, and we just bought this cool-looking storage unit for only $180. We've had super good luck with this facility, and today we're gonna continue that luck. Let's get into it. So 180 for a 5x5 may sound a little expensive, but let me show you what you can see right from the front. See this? Jewelry boxes. You see that? That's a gun box, I hope, not a toolbox. Hookah kit, and business and leather jacket, which makes me believe, you know, money. Plus, whatever this box is right here, it's got its tag on it still, so that's brand new. I think we did good so far. Let's get into it. Let's start with the bag on the floor here.